Do you want to know how to earn over $100 daily profit with digital trading?
Yes, please. How is that possible? If I may ask?
Learn digital trading with your mobile phone.
Really?
The process is simply by learning and practicing. Within the space of 1 month of training, you will start earning.
So what am I trading?
You will be trading digital markets such as commodities and indices, which are available for trading 24 hours. You can learn from anywhere in the world as long as you have the 4 basic requirements.
So, what are the requirements?
1. Mobile phone with internet access. 2. 1 hour dedicated for training and trading. 3. Basic capital, $100. Learn to turn small capital to big portfolio. 4. Enroll for online training course with a one-time fee. No prior experience is required and you can start making daily profits after a month of training.
Just what I needed.
Visit www.tmnmedia.com/binary or call +23 49032971773 to get started.
I will surely visit website, or better will call +23 49032971773 to get started. Thanks for the info.